Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're getting our chapter together, right? We're going to cook up some Spitfire beef and kind of celebrate what it's like to be a chapter. We've got 18,000 chapters in over 100 countries, and we'd be proud to have you. Just head on over to our website, right, and sign up. In the meantime, we're going to bring in the spit, because like I said, we're doing some Spitfire beef at the pit. Tell you what, this is gonna be good.
Gonna mix some sauce. Bring 'em on the lay, baby. Show you who's boss. Got mesquite in my hair, baby. I don't care. Gonna burn some biscuits. Grab me up there. Oh.
All right, let's fire up the pit. We're going to do a wood-fired turn on the spit today. And here the pit master is plugging up some beef. Oh man, it'll be good eating, right? So we got some fresh cloves with garlic. Oh baby, never enough garlic with beef, right? All right, let's mount this beef on the spit. Now we got a good old school spit here. It's been around for, I don't know, 40 years, maybe more. It's good for another 40. This will work every time. Oh yeah. All you need is a good wrench. Nothing fancy. Now, since we're turning a big old beef, we got plenty of room on this spit. We're going to add some pork loins. So we have a couple boneless pork loins to throw on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So we'll be doing some beef. We got some pork. You can do it any way you want. Oh yeah, kidding me. Now I probably don't have to tell you, hanging out at the pit is all about forgetting the dumb shit. Well, I just won't say it because we got our youngins out there, but you know what I'm saying, man. Just hanging with the boys, turning some meat. Shooting the well, I won't say that either. And this is what good living is all about. Oh man. So we're mounted. All we have to do is use some of that fancy ass electricity, and we're spinning. Now, of course, some of you have no clue what's going on here, but this is not for you. This is for our chapters. These are for the boys. And again, if you'd like to be a part of us, head on over to our website and sign up your chapter. This is all you need to do, right? Just hang, watch the meat turn, hanging onto a cold one or two. Lord have mercy. Now this is going to turn on the spit for a few hours. We're in no rush. Oh, yeah, we got a side here with onions and peppers. This is gonna go on those sandwiches, I'd say. Hit it with some of our SPG, or what seasoning you got. You know how that goes, right? Oh yeah, the valley is filling up with some of that beef and pork smoke, driving the neighbors crazy. Can you smell that? It smells good. And if you can't smell it, well, you're on the wrong damn channel now, aren't you? Oh yeah. So when you feel like it, you want to baste it with a squirt bottle. Beer, seasoning, whatever you want. Just keep it moist. And nothing like that sound of a motor turning to spit. Oh, look at that. We're going to be eating good tonight, Martha. All right. We got the internal temperature we want. We'll pull it off the fire. We're going to let it rest a little bit. Oh, you kidding me? Eat your heart out, Vegematics.
Everything? Oh, I know you're going on there. Okay. I don't want to get you over there, so. Well, I'm in the way. You're ready.
I say, it's time to eat. We're at the pit with Blue House and the Rent-to-Own Horns. Thumbs up.
Fireball meatballs, back rib whiskey sauce, grilled beef stroganoff, scallop and clam sauce, fried smoked pork chops, oxtail crab cod, grilled pheasant coleslaw, pork coleslaw and slow. Holiday ham roast, pork bacon butter roast, bacon stuffed pork roast, beef stuffed meatloaf. Gonna eat all it at the pit. Smoked rib sandwich.
Now, to make the ultimate spit-fire beef sandwiches, you want to slice up the beef real thin, right? You know how that goes. So we got our meat slicer.
St. Louis spare ribs, barbecue fried ribs, margarita back ribs, honey mustard spare ribs, baby back bacon ribs. Gonna eat all it at the pit. I'm a BBQ Pit Boy for life.
We got some beef. We got some pork. Onions and peppers. And cheese.
thigh. Briskets piled high.
Pit Boys for life.
Eat on it at the pit. Eat on it at the pit. Eat on it at the pit.
Yeah, baby.
There's some good food